Alright, how to turn this into this. Guys, get what I received today. Hansshow stuff. Okay, so apparently, well, my car Tesla already over the warranty, so now I can modify it, and I bought this thing. It's pretty cool. It's actually the entertainment display for the rear passenger, so you know, the kids can play game, watch TV or whatever, you know, while the car is actually driving. Okay, and when I bought this, they actually somehow decide to give me this for free. What this is actually a Cybertruck, Tesla Cybertruck inspired backpack. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It's free, okay? So it's pretty cool. It costs about, I think the price is about $109. So yeah, I got it for free. Anyway, so that's pretty nice. But let's talk about this one. Let me do the unbox real quick. All right. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Pop this. Okay. Made in China. Hansshow. All right. Let's see. Oh, packaging is nice. So this one, actually the screen is 8.66 inches. Yeah, right there, 8.66 inches. Let's open it up. Ooh, tight. Okay. Ooh, very nice. That's the warranty, installation video, and manual. Okay. Let's again, the packaging is actually very nice. This is the screen. Wow, pretty impressive. Let's see. Oh my god, wow, it's nice. That's the connector 1 and then 2. Okay. Alright, let's see what this is. Alright. Connector. That's look like a power supply, right? You know, it's only 2 wires, so it's gotta be a power supply. And what this is? Oh, okay. That's for the Type C to Type A USB adapter. And then you have this, I guess, the tools to remove the trim, right? So let's see. Okay, it does have the AC van. It's adjustable. And then you have 2 Type C USB port. This one is for charging. I'm assuming this one is for data. So if you need to update the software or whatever firmware, this is the port you want to use. To charge, you're gonna use this one. Okay. All right. Let's try to install it and see how hard is it. All right. Okay. So, guys, this is the original, what I have right now. This essentially needs to come out so I can install this. Look at that. Okay, so it has the AC van. Actually, the original, it's not even oh wait, never mind, the original is adjustable here. I didn't even know, never really see it at the back. So this one can actually do the same thing too. The original charging port is USB Type A. This is USB Type C. So let's install this. I think the first thing you need to do is to pop this thing out, and then after that pop this, because I think that's the connector underneath it needs to be connected. Okay, that's basically the ECU, the computer. So since they provide this, let's try to use their tool to remove this. Okay, alright, this one's removed. See that connector right there? That needs to be connected because that's actually the ECU connector. Now we need to pop this. Oh, that's easy enough. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Need to remove this so that I can fish the wire through of the cable. So, see that too smooth. I don't see any other screws, so I should be able to just pop out the thing. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. Alright, now the cable are exposed, so I can put all the wire, the cable through there. Okay, so this one needs to be removed. There you go. And then the wire harness right here. Since it's piggyback, right? So you connect here to here, this to this, and then this to this. Okay, you just need to hide the cable. Maybe here. Okay, yeah, that's a good cable. Right. Actually, I think that's it. I don't think we need this. So hide it away. Hide it away. And then the screen. Okay. This one connect to this. Okay. And then this to this. Let me get all this stuff. I don't want to scratch the screen. So. Okay, it's in. There you go. All right. Cable out. Cable out. Yeah. I need to tidy up the cable a little bit, but hey, it's working. That's pretty cool. Look. Okay. All right. So remember there are two cables. Turns out that's actually for the seat. In fact, you can actually use this panel to control the front seat, which is actually pretty crazy. I didn't know they can actually do that. And also, not only that, you can actually use this to control the heater seat for the front and also the rear. Anyway, so in order to actually nicely done, I actually fished the cable underneath the carpet, going through it, and then now I'm gonna connect to the control module over there. I already did the driver's side, so I'm gonna show you how I do it. Come on, come over here. Okay, so this is the cable. Like I say, you know, I fish it through underneath the carpet. You know, just try to get it done nicely. And then also when you do it underneath the carpet, it's gonna actually go underneath the rail, right? Obviously, you know, you can adjust your seat back and forth. You don't want the cable to be on top of that because then it will cut the cable. Obviously, you don't want it, so you fish underneath the rail. In my case, is hide the cable. Now, what you really need to do, this right here, again, piggyback into this cable here, right? You see that cable right there? See that? So that cable needs to come out, and then plug into one end, the other end go into the module. So in order to do that, again, I try to make it a nice installation. So you can actually pull this out. Let me see. So yeah, technically you can pull this out like that. I like to fish it through here. So this is a nitric. So I have this zip tie, really long zip tie. So now I can really reach for the zip tie over there. All right, just a trick. So I have this zip tie that I fished through it. So now I'm just gonna take this and tape it real quick. Yeah, that should be enough. Tape it nicely. All right. You wanna come over here? Okay, so all you have to do is just pry this open a little bit. See, now I can fish the cable out, right? Okay, and then let me hide this cable here. In fact, now I can push this back in. Okay. Alright. Now, what I need to do is to remove that. Okay, see that cable right there? Okay, so now okay, so this side go in here, okay, and that side go into the that module. Let's see. In. All right, and then that's pretty much it. Tight the cable down there, push it, pop it back in. Pop this back in. Don't forget the screw. Yeah. All right, last thing, pop this back in, and the installation is done. Just that easy. Okay. Alright guys, now that is fully installed, let's take a look at this. This thing is pretty awesome. Okay, so alright, so you have, I can control AC from here at the back. See that? Okay, I feel it. Okay, I can turn it off. It has different mode. I can actually control the seat warmer. The front and the back too. See, that's pretty awesome. And then I can even control the passenger front seat. See that? Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, recline. Oh my god, so cool. And then music, I can play music on here. Here I have yeah, different video. Oh, and then Android Auto, CarPlay. Where is it? I don't see it. I don't see CarPlay, but yeah. But I guess you can download the app, and yeah, that's it. It's pretty cool. Different setting you can have. Yeah. Right now I connect to my phone hotspot, Bluetooth. I guess the Bluetooth you can actually connect to your headphone, right? So that way you can watch video. The kids at the back can watch video and not, you know, interrupting me, you know, at the front. Let's try the YouTube Cybertruck. Let's see.
It looks odd, and I'm so excited to share my opinions on it with you here today. But if you would like to submit your own vehicle, you can head on over to my website, zachbradel.com.
Let's see if we can increase the volume.
The submission form takes under a minute to fill out, and I come out to you. But let's get back to the drivetrain of the Tesla Cybertruck. Well, this is a Foundation Series vehicle, meaning it was one of the first Cybertrucks built, and actually, this was one of the first Cybertrucks
Look at that.
delivered here.
Oh man, kids will be happy. This is at the back.
Which gives you about middle
See that?
300s